Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox Account Manager not working. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, we want to open up the Roblox Account Manager on your PC. Once you've launched it, you want to click on the settings icon at the right side and the settings will open up. In here, make sure multi-Roblox and auto-refresh cookies are enabled. Once this is done, head over to the installation folder of the Roblox Manager. Right-click on Roblox Account Manager, head over to Properties and find Compatibility. Now from in here, you want to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, run it as an administrator, and then save the changes. After that, your problem will hopefully be solved. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox Account Manager not working. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.